I'm going to be showing you how to place products in eBay. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So placing, which also means listing products on eBay, is simple once you know the steps. So here's a step-by-step. So the first thing you need to do is use your seller account, create one if you don't have it, and make sure your account is verified and have a payment method step up. And once you do so, you can just start a listing. The first thing you need to do is just look at the top right where you can see this three-lined button, and you have this option right here that says sell. Just tap here, wait for it to load, and just tap on list an item. So just share the product you're selling. So let's say you're selling shoes. Just enter it here, and if you find the type of shoes you're selling, just select one and tap on continue. And select the condition it's in and tap on continue again. And once you do, you have this option right here. Now you can add photos and videos of the listing, and you can change the item title if you want to, and you can add the brand, the shoe size, the department, style code, and also the pricing. And once you do, just select all the way down, just scroll all the way down till you find listed option right there. Just go ahead and tap on listed, and you'll successfully be able to place products on eBay. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.